In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Elixir fast here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you need more Elixir here in Clash of Clans, here's the fastest and most efficient ways to begin stacking it up. The first one is obviously the most obvious, but it's actually just simply upgrading your Elixir collectors. Make sure you're maxing these out as much as possible just so that you can generate Elixir passively throughout the day. On top of this, make sure you're using resource potions because these potions boost your Elixir collectors for 24 hours, which will obviously double that production. Just make sure you use them when you plan on being active and collecting often. The next method is attacking other players. Obviously, when you raid bases, it's one of the best ways to earn Elixir fast. Just make sure you're focusing on bases with full storages, town halls, and clan castles to get the most amount of loot. Speaking of the clan castle though, if you select the clan castle and select treasury, there's going to be this treasury option in here, which is going to give you bonus loot. So make sure you open this to check that. And on top of that, you can also get small treasure chests appearing on the left side of your base. Always collect those if you see them because they'll give you extra resources. Finally, the best thing that you can do is actually use a rune of Elixir because this magic item is essentially going to instantly fill your Elixir storage. Just make sure before you use this that you use it when your storage is nearly empty to get that full value. But yeah, I hope that helps you grind Elixir at least a little bit quicker. Before you leave this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.